As a solution director, I'm responsible for the strategy of the so-called PTV X-Load. These are developer components which are very important to solve problems in the context of logistics and transportation. So we are talking about developer components. That means to be integrated in leading system environments like SAP, like IBM, whatever you think, or in a really big TMS. We have complex algorithms which can solve the topics when we're talking about planning and optimization. And we have a lot of components, so they are modular designed. That means for single purposes we have specific developer components like the geocoding, mapping, routing. On the one side, you have to optimize everything in your warehouse, and then you have to optimize the trips. But now in between, and that's the connection why we developed the X-Load, manager is really interested, how can I pack my container at a certain gate? Do I have overhangs or do I have free loading meter? Because the purpose is to really pack completely the container so that we can deliver all the goods to the customers. Several constraints into consideration. First of all, the sequence. So you have several customers you would like to serve with your articles. So that means you need a sequence of your loading. The next topic is what is allowed to stack. So you have maybe groups of items like the pallets, like boxes, whatever. So therefore the weight is a really important part. Then you have to decide, is it possible to rotate or to tilt? So therefore there are a lot of constraints to be considered, and that's something we can do in one step. What we are offering is a digital solution, because now today we are talking about digitalization, about transformation from manual work really to an absolutely complete workflow. The ramp manager is responsible to fill the containers and to see if there are overhangs. What we want to do is during the execution to check how we can improve the transportation, how we can improve the vehicles or the numbers of vehicles, how we can do a complete workflow when we are talking about before, in execution and after a transportation. So because it's always a complete circle, so we have retour management, that's everything you have to take into account, and to really plan this in one step. That is the challenge. We as a PTV, we are since 40 years, we are really experienced in the field of logistics and transportation and in traffic, so we can really combine both worlds, especially when we're talking about the mobility solution which now are arising. So that means we have the capabilities, we have the technology and the solutions ready for our customers.